Dzień dobry. W dzisiejszym odcinku pokażę Wam, jak przerobić nienoszone ubrania na coś bardzo fajnego. Mam tutaj spodnie, których nie noszę, bo są dla mnie trochę za małe. I mam tutaj sukienkę, którą kupiłam jakiś czas temu w używaku, ale też jej nie noszę. To znaczy kupiłam ją z myślą, że ją właśnie przerobię, bo bardzo podobała mi się ta koronka. To jest bawełna 100%. Zobaczcie, jak jest ładnie wyhaftowana. Jaki to jest piękny haft. Ale tak jak widzicie, ona w całości nie nadaje się do noszenia, no bo tak to wygląda. Więc zdecydowanie trzeba coś z tym zrobić. No i w dzisiejszym odcinku właśnie się tym zajmę. Powstanie z tego bardzo fajna spódniczka z tych dwóch rzeczy i taki top, góra do tego, taki komplet. Także zasubskrybujcie proszę mój kanał, bo to pozwala mi go rozwijać i zapraszam na odcinek.
You're so good, but not for me. Don't try to be a person you'll never be. Can't say we're different, but it's not a secret. Every time I see you, I wanna say, I don't want to love you, don't want to fight, I don't want to talk all night. Please, please forget my number. I wish I would hold it on the love. Ooh, you're so good. Every day I hear the words all from you. Ooh, you're so good. Maybe I could say it, but that's not true. You're so different, but it's not a secret. Every time I see you, I wanna say, can't say we're different, but it's not a secret. Every time I see you, I wanna say, I don't want to love you, don't want to fight, I don't want to talk all night. Please, please forget my number. I wish I would hold it on the love. I don't want to love you, don't want to fight, I don't want to talk all night. Please, please forget my number. I wish I would hold it on the love. Oh, can't you say we're different? Boy, it's not a secret. Can't you say I'm not in love? Oh, can't you say we're different? Boy, it's not a secret. Can't you say I'm not in love? Oh, oh, can't you say we're different? Boy, it's not a secret. Can't you say I'm not in love? Oh, oh, can't you say we're different? Boy, it's not a secret. Can't you say I'm not in love? Oh, I don't want to love you, don't want to fight, I don't want to talk all night. Please, please forget my number. I wish I would hold it on the love. I don't want to love you, don't want to fight, I don't want to talk all night. Please, please forget my number. I wish I would hold it on the love. You're so good, but say we're different, but it's not a secret. Every time I see you, I wanna say I don't want to love